with Studio Serendipity Photography. I photograph children's, families, pets. I do business headshots and personal branding. COVID-19 has changed my business in the fact that I have to have more social distancing. I have to clean my equipment. If I have indoor sessions, I have to make sure everything is clean, and times between sessions are distant so I can accommodate all these things. I also use a zoom lens so I can keep my distance from my clients. On the positive side, I do a lot of outdoor photography, so with the beautiful area that we live in, I can certainly keep my distance and have great photographs for you. I recently overcame COVID-19 by participating in the Front Steps project. This included photographing over 125 families in 7 days before and after the lockdown. In return, I asked for a donation of $50 to either the Food Bank of the Rockies or the Dumb Friends League. In total, I have raised over $4,500. This was a great experience as I got to know a lot of families, and it gave them a purpose to donate to a charity and to get dressed for the day. What sets me apart from other photography businesses is that I am not a shoot and burn photographer. I take the time to get to know my customers and what their needs are, whether it's family portraits or businesses. I have consultations with them to understand their needs, and in the post-processing I make sure that the photos look the best that they can, whether it's for wall portraits or photo albums. These are items that they can cherish forever. As far as business photography, I also give you suggestions on wardrobe and personal branding. I help with locations. We can do storytelling with your photos, because when you post photos for social media or advertising, the more that people see who you are, the more that they like and trust you, and they will do business with you.
Go.
If you'd like to see more information and photos, you can check out my website at studioserendipity.com or my Facebook page, Studio Serendipity Photography, or you can call me at 954-325-3262. I'd love to chat with you and discuss what your needs are.